welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13 and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So now by double press the power key we can see that I can only lock the device, and just to activate quick launch to the camera app, for example, we should open the settings application and scroll down to the advanced features. Then tap here to side key and click to the double press switcher. Now we can see that we can quick launch camera application by double press to side key. So now we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.